Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your brush in Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 is tangled. So, first, flip your robot, and we have two brushes. One in here that you can just pull upwards, but I don't want to break it. Oh yeah, you can pull and clean it, untangle it, etc. And the other one is here. To access it, just push upwards this lid. I don't know how. Oh, it's screwed. Okay, so you need to unscrew it first. Here are 4 screws. Push it upwards and then untangle this brush here. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.